glass vial in there. If they don't get enough oxygen, it breaks. And it'll close that and it'll suffocate the flame in these heaters. That's why it's important to make sure you clean all the dust you can, either with a blower or vacuum or can of air duster if you can get it in there. Shock you if your hands by it, or it will put a spark to the tank. So you always gotta make sure if you're having problems lighting, pull it away, check it, make sure it's all the way in. Real deal is just make sure that all this stuff can fit. You know, when you got your plate back on, like that. But now it's back. It's all back together. This, they say, you know, it says pilot lighting on it. It really doesn't matter. I usually set them to like A to B. This has to be in the pilot position. Only spot you can push down. So you gotta hold it. You know, there's no gas in the chamber, so we'll give it like 30 seconds. And then we're gonna spark it probably 5-10 times. And we're gonna hold it. This is my old man style. I don't like having to look through that low window. And then if I think I got it, I'll just hold it for 30 seconds. It usually takes a minute, 30 seconds to a minute to heat that thermocouple up. And once you think you got it, you can let go and turn it on. Burner kicks on, you heard it. This is my leak detector. So I'm just gonna go ahead and check everything that I touched. I'll check their sediment trap too, even though I didn't touch it. If there's any leaks, it'll bubble up. But as of for now,